there are certain things in our relationship that are still points of conflict, but not to the extremes that they used to be.
What are those?
My social needs. I'm a very social person. Mike has some issues around food and things that don't work for him. And fortunately, most of socialization is, hey, we're going to go out, we're going to grab a drink, let's grab something to eat. And that's not what he enjoys doing. So my social needs, and then your intimacy needs. I'm not a very affectionate person. I am more like a cat. When it is time for my Finny tank, I'll let you know, but I will swat you, claw you if it is not my Finny tank time.
The Finny tank comes very quickly and goes away quickly.
And again, I will swat you.
Yeah.